Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our series on drones. Today let's dive into the fascinating history of drones. From their humble beginnings to the cutting-edge marvels we see today. Buckle up, it's going to be a thrilling ride. So the story of drones starts way back in 1849. Imagine this. Austrian forces attacked Venice using unmanned balloons filled with explosives. Crazy, right? Though the attempt didn't exactly hit the mark, it was the first recorded use of unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs for military purposes. Fast forward to World War I, the first pilotless aircraft came into the picture. The British developed several remotely controlled planes, including the Hewitt-Sperry automatic airplane. This was a game-changer, showcasing the potential of unmanned aircraft. During the interwar period, UAVs got a tech upgrade. Radio control technology improved, and these unmanned planes were primarily used as aerial targets for military training. World War II and the Cold War saw significant advancements in UAV technology. Initially, these drones were seen as unreliable and pretty expensive, but they played a crucial role in reconnaissance and target practice. Slowly but surely, drones began to prove their worth. Now let's zoom into the modern era. In the 21st century, UAV technology skyrocketed. Drones are no longer just military tools, they're everywhere. From aerial photography and agriculture to environmental monitoring and delivery services, the possibilities are endless. Even entertainment got a drone upgrade. Alright, let's hit some key milestones. The first quadcopter credit goes to the French brothers Jacques and Louis Breguet, who built and tested the gyroplane No. 1 in 1907. Fast forward to 1998, Dragonfly created the first commercial drone, the Dragonflyer. Then in 2013, DJI launched its first consumer drone, the Phantom One. What a journey. So there you have it, the incredible evolution of drones. From early war balloons to today's sophisticated UAVs used in various fields, drones have come a long way, and this is just the beginning. Who knows what the future holds? Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more deep dives into tech history. Until next time, keep soaring high.